Truffle, parmesan, slow-churned M&S butter, higher welfare chicken. My recipe for truffle butter chicken thighs has all the ingredients to become your new go-to. Cut 4 slices of M&S parmesan and truffle butter and slide one under the skin of each chicken thigh. Season both sides of the thighs with salt and pepper and drizzle the skin sides with olive oil. In a pan, fry the chicken thighs skin side down, flipping when the skin is golden brown. After a few minutes, put the pan in the oven until the chicken is cooked through. For a salad dressing, whisk Dijon mustard, vinegar and extra virgin olive oil in a bowl, seasoning with salt and pepper. Add M&S Italian-style salad leaves, thickly sliced baby cucumber and halved M&S pomodolce tomatoes, mixing well. Serve the chicken thighs with your salad and an M&S garlic flatbread. Then spoon over the buttery juices from your pan for a final flavour punch. I've got loads more recipes using the produce from the M&S farms I've been visiting, so stay tuned for more tasty ideas.